Okay, welcome to this short repair instruction video about a Maxi-Cosi FamilyFix isofix for your Maxi-Cosi seat. I think this is quite a common problem when you have one red circle, and the reason of that is commonly due to well, the error message actually means there's something wrong with this clamp, but it isn't. It's just a faulty wire. To get there, take a nice big flathead screwdriver, poke off this lever, and then remove this plastic bit, and then you can access the wires. Usually there's enough slack on the wire to get to the broken part. Solder the wires, apply some heat shrink, and put everything back together again, and the error will be gone. That's it.